Well, here I am. I'm not going to say I'm back because I guess I never really left. For those of you that have been following my content for a while, my name's Ryan, KidMoto22 on YouTube. I've been putting out content on YouTube for, 5 years or so, maybe more. I'm also part of the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast. The 5 Dirty Bikers podcast is no longer, but I'm still here. I guess I never really went anywhere. Like I said, I'm not going to put out a video saying I'm back because I never left. I just kind of took a pause on my YouTube content, but here I am. It's kind of, I don't know if I'd call it a soft relaunch. I'm going to be back on YouTube, back putting out content, back just kind of doing some of my own things. For those of you that don't know me or haven't followed me before, I can give you a little bit of a history. I've been putting out content, like I said, for about 5 years or so. I was one of the founding members of the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast, and we just actually ended that after a 7-year run. It was a great run. It was a great opportunity. It was a great time for some 5 strangers that got together, became really close friends, and do a podcast. And we made our mark. And for that, I'm super proud. For those of you that have never heard of it, go check it out. There's a YouTube channel. There's content out there. If you're going to get the podcast, you better get out there and get it soon because that content is going to be going away. So, yeah, I'm going to start putting out some videos and I'll tell you what that is going to look like in a minute or like maybe right now. All right. So as you can see, if you checked out my intro video, that intro's old, right? It's a bike that doesn't even look like that anymore. But anyway, I put out travel videos. I put out, man, it's been a long time since I've done this. I put out travel videos. I put out some videos with some moto camping, especially like the stuff that I've packed and that kind of stuff. I haven't done any really camping specific videos, but I think I'm going to try to do some of that this season. I've put out moto vlogging, which I don't really think is a thing anymore. I don't really see a lot of people doing that per se. I've put out some blogs. I've put out some opinion stuff. I have content of a little bit of everything. Probably the stuff that I'm most connected to is my install videos, my review videos, because that gives you like a real sense of the stuff that I use, the stuff that I like. I don't really do, I'm not going to get on here and bash a product if I don't like it or I don't use it. I really don't put it on my channel. One of the companies that I've had a great and long-standing relationship with has been Advan Black and Wild Ass. I rock a Wild Ass seat on my bike. Actually, I don't have it on there right now, but I have a Wild Ass seat on my bike. I'm going to do probably a long-term review video of that at some point. But yeah. I just wanted to put out this quick little video to let you guys know that I'm going to be, putting out some more content again. I've got a build series coming up with Advan Black. I'm going to do the Advan Black Whole Shot series. So if you guys don't know what that is, the Whole Shot is kind of a performance bagger aesthetic that Advan Black has with shorty front fender and some chopped recessed bags, some recessed side covers, some new rear lighting, chopped rear fender, kind of the whole thing. So I'm doing a little bit of a refresh of my bike, not changing the color. Obviously, if you watched any of my videos that I did last year, I put on Advan Black's ST fairing, which I'm still rocking on my bike, and I still really love that. Yeah, I think I'm kind of quote unquote finishing what I really intended on, or my vision of my bike when I started it. This will probably be some of the last stuff, but I said that before, so that's probably a lie. I'm also probably going to do a different exhaust. I haven't done an exhaust for a really long time. In fact, when I put the exhaust on my bike that I have on now, I wasn't even putting out YouTube content. So I'm gonna do a true 2-to-1 kind of performance exhaust to go with a complete kind of performance aesthetic, and I think kind of complete what I really set out to do when I started kind of building my bike out and the aesthetic of that. But and I don't know if you've watched any of my other content, but a lot of my other content, I kind of got into this like studio setting where it was really I don't want to say staged, but a little bit more, like Studio X-esque or professional looking or whatever. I'm not going to say that I'm not going to do things like that, but I did a lot of talking head videos like that, and I'll probably do those from time to time. I'm just going to mix it up. I'm going to try different things. I'm going to just, really try to spread my wings a little bit creatively, and if you guys want to be a part of it, want to come along for the ride, it'd be great, do the like, subscribe thing, give me a thumbs up, all that stuff. But no, I'm excited to get back out and start making my own content. Like I said, it's been a little while. I'm probably rusty and not very good at it. But hey, that's kind of what this whole thing is. It's part of the creative process. So I'm excited, and I hope to see you guys out there, and hit me up with a comment below, and it'll be great to get back out there, and it'll be nice to have you guys all on the ride. And the last thing I'm going to say is I ride with a bunch of great guys up here in my neck of the woods, and we're going all over the country. So if I mention anything on the channel of a place that we might be going, or something that we might want to be doing, and you're interested in going along for that ride or meeting us there or whatever like that, hit me up on the channel below. The reason why I said this is that this happened to me a couple times through this channel, and I've forged some really amazing friendships. The other thing that I'm going to put on at the very end here is that we built a community through the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast. We have a Discord. The Discord is free, and that Discord's not going away. That community is alive and well. There's a ton of good people on there. There's all kinds of stuff in there. So get in there, check it out. Really, just kind of, say hi to all the people that are in there. That is a great community built from the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast, and it's a lot of fun, and there's a lot of great information in there. And, we hope to maybe see in there too. So the other thing I said last, and that was a lie too. Remember, I'm getting used to this again. The other thing that I want to mention is I need to give a shout out to my really good friend, Bob. Bob has been in some of my other videos. He's probably going to be a big part of this build series, and honestly might be part of the content moving forward as we kind of build this channel, or as I continue to build the channel, I guess. But I say we because Bob's helped with some of the last few installs I did when I installed my performance suspension from Batubo. He was really a part of that process. Suspension can use more than one hand for sure. So yeah, if you are interested in becoming a part of this community, check out the 5 Dirty Bikers Discord. If you are interested in becoming a part of my community on my channel, hit me up. And it's gonna be exciting to kind of get back into it. I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't done it for a long time. It's a lot of work, and my life has been really crazy. I've got a new job, and like I said, stopped doing the podcast, but I'm excited. The weather's changing, and I'm going to be able to get out and start riding again. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to sign off now. I got no more for you guys, so I appreciate your time, and hit me up below, send me a like, thumbs up, do all the things, like and subscribe, send it to somebody else, whatever you want to do, but I would appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys very, very soon.